Each computer that runs this program can have hardware that's specific to this computer and settings that are specific to just this computer. To set up the options for this computer, select Setup, This Computer. The first tab is the General tab. It allows you to set options as to whether or not you'd like to play sound effects in the program, and for new users, whether or not you'd like the Enter key to work like the Tab key. For users moving from DOS, this is a good option. Also, for new users, you may want to check on Always Maximize Screens on Open. This makes the windows as big as possible every time you open them, preventing multiple windows from being viewed at any one time. If you have a touch screen, turn this option on and a keypad will be activated each time sales entry is on the screen. There are other options for requiring new invoices to be printed and whether or not you should allow inventory cost from the inventory list to be displayed. In the case of a point-of-sale computer that's up front, you may want this to be off so that customers can't see the inventory cost. The Cache Drawer tab allows you to configure a cache drawer if one is connected to the computer. If there is, select the option to turn it on and select how the cache drawer is connected to the computer. Is it connected to a receipt printer or a serial port? In the case of a receipt printer, select the model and then select the printer as defined in Windows. Once you have made your selection, you can select the Test Drawer option or button to see if the cache drawer is functioning properly. For a serial cache drawer, select the serial port that it's connected to, enter an opening string. Most opening strings are 7, however 7,7. These are ASCII values separated by commas as required by the particular cache drawer. The baud rate, parity, stop bits, and data bits must also be set properly. To test the drawer to see if your settings are properly configured, select Test Drawer. A poll display can also be connected to a computer. Select the model that you have from the available drop-down box. If your model is not selected or available, it probably has not been configured to work with the software. Select the port the poll display is connected to and enter any scrolling or flashing messages that you would like to have displayed while the poll display is not being used at the point of sale. The Scanner tab enables you to configure your barcode scanner. Scanners are normally connected through the keyboard or through a serial connection. If you don't have a scanner or it's connected through the keyboard, select Keyboard Connection. For a serial connection, for connecting a scanner through a serial port, select Serial Connection, select the port that it's connected to, and set the baud, parity, stop bits, and data bits. On your portable scanner, make sure the flow control is set to RTS-CTS and the communication protocol is set to none. The Credit Card tab enables you to activate the IC Verify interface for this particular computer. If you have IC Verify running, you need to enter a unique station number and the exchange directory for the multi-user application of IC Verify. No two station numbers can be the same for proper operation. The Miscellaneous tab enables you to set the default invoice type each time a new invoice is selected. Catalog operations may prefer to set this to special order, while your traditional point-of-sale retail shop would have this set to a sale. Dot matrix printers may need to have the tag printing paused to prevent overheating. Simply select the option on and set the number of tags you'd like to have tag printing paused. The Shipping tab enables shipping-related operations for stores or operations that may perform catalog-type activities. For instance, you can set whether or not to print a shipping label, whether or not to print a packing list, if there's a shipping system interface, and whether or not to add shipping charges to new invoices or special orders automatically. The Ordering tab allows you to set whether or not, after completing a special order, whether or not you'd like to have a selection pull up so that you can pull items from stock for the special order that was just completed. These are the options that are available for setting up specific settings for this computer.